What's going on, guys? Today we are back with another installation video, and I cannot move my head. Yesterday, while playing with my dog, I forgot that at 39 years old my body has limitations, and tweaked my neck trying to do some fancy moves on the floor with my little girl. So now I get the pleasure all day of walking around like an extra from a George Romero film. Regardless, we move forward. We have a job to do and customers are waiting. So that's what we're doing. We're on our way to Smithtown. We are going to be installing an entry door with 2 side lights. We're going to pick up the trailer and get to work. I will see you there. So yesterday, driving on the highway, a piece of metal hit my fender here on my wheel well and nearly ripped it off. Brand new trailer. Oh, it was mint. What a shame. Can't have nothing nice. Everything's got to get destroyed. Well, so far so good. Doors out. Measurements are good. Whew. Seems like it's going to be a pretty easy day. I just got to dry fit the door now. Check the top for the brick mold, mark it, cut the cedar siding, seal it up, pop it in, and we'll be out of here. We'll be good to go.
Okay, good. Going with it?
Alright, so we ended up getting a super late start because this was a fill-in. It is 3 o'clock now, and we are just about out of here. I got to throw the storm door up, and then I'm on my way home.
Put your screen in the garage here. You're welcome.
Alright, another successful installation complete. If you've watched this far along, then I'm going to assume that you enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video, go ahead, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and you know, if you have any opinions for what I could potentially do better in my next future videos, you know, write me in the messages and tell me what that is. You know, tell me what you think. Give me your opinion. I'm open to suggestions. So as far as that goes, until next time, take care.